Chivo. So today I'm to talk about the different types of orders, illustration on the real chart. So really fast, let's get from this page. We go to the MetaTrader trading platform page. Okay, so we are here, guys. Yeah, we are here at the MT4 trading platform. So you can see I have my quotes at the my trading watch list. Okay, so I only trade three currency pairs and one metal and one index. Okay, so really fast, let me open a chart, for example, of GBP USD, and then I show you how execute trades. Okay, so you can see that the current market price is at 1.2332. so let me place trades using the market execution. So I think it will continue to be a buy, so I'll just buy. So I did my stop loss and then I place a buy like that. So now that trade I placed it using the current market price, so that's market execution. Okay, yeah, let me look for another trading instrument, and I trade also using market execution. Now I'll place a sell, so I just go to the placing trade tab and then I tap sell. So with that, I place this trade using the current market price, so that's market execution. So we are done with market execution. So market execution is basically placing the trade at the current market price. Okay, yeah, and you can place your stop loss and your take profit. You know how to do that. Okay, so now I want to place trades using the pending orders, the buy limits, the limits, and the stop orders. Okay, yeah, so with that said, let me zoom in into a lower time frame, and then I show you something. Okay, let's say I want to be buying from this point. So I want to be buying below the current market price, so I'll use a buy limit. So I place a buy limit at 1970. So place trade market execution, I'll change it to a buy limit, and then I edit my price to be 19.70. That's where I want to enter. And on the right hand side, I can place a stop loss. Let's say, for example, 19.66. My take profit can be 1990. Yeah, something like that. And when you go, you'll see that the trade has not started to run yet, since it has not been triggered yet. Okay, so when I open this trade, this buy limit from gold, you will see that at my desired entry point, you'll find a buy limit. So when price comes to this point, it will trigger the buy limit and it will change to a buy now, and I would have bought from this point, and I'll wait for the trade to either hit TP or stop loss. You can see that I've placed a good risk reward ratio. Yeah, so that's how to use a buy limit. So let me go to another trading instrument and place another type of trade. Okay, we are starting with the limits, so we have already done the buy limit. So let's say I've analyzed, and I want to be selling from this point. Okay, so when price hits that point, I want to be selling from that point. Yeah, and that point is 128.58. so just tap there, change market execution to sell limit, and then price I place to 128.58. Yeah, and I tap place. So you can see that that point where I have the horizontal line, you can see there's a sell limit. So when price rises up to this point, it will trigger my sell trade, and now my trade will play out now, either to my TP or my stop loss. Let me set the TP and stop loss. So TP 125.46, stop loss 129.48. so stop loss 129.48, and then TP 125.48. yeah, something like that. So you can see I have my stop loss and my take profit. So if I want to be selling above the current market price, I'll be using the sell limit. You get it? Okay, so now let's go to the stop orders. The stop orders are basically trades in direction of price. Okay, yeah, so let me use Eurocard to illustrate this. So let's say I want to be selling if price breaks below this low. I want to be selling when price breaks that low. Okay, and I want to be selling from that point. Okay, and I want to continue trading downwards, so and take my profit at this point. Okay, my stop loss, I set it just slightly above my entry. Okay, so I'll place my sell stop at 1.4896. so sell stop, I'll change market execution to sell stop, and then I place my price 1.4896, or no, 89. It's 89. Yeah, like that. You can see at where I have my horizontal line at 1.4889, I have my sell stop. Okay, and my stop loss and TP, let me show you how I edit them. Just modify the trade and place your TP or stop loss. So TP 1.4811, stop loss 1.4910. So TP is on the right hand side, this green tab over here, so 1.4811. My stop loss 1.4910. Yeah, so I modified like that, and when you go back to here, you can see, okay, so when price comes down to this point, it will trigger my sell, and automatically this will be my stop loss, my take profit, my entry will be at that point, and my trade will be a sell. So if I want to be selling below the current market price, I use a sell stop. Get it? Okay, now let's look at the last pending order, which is a buy stop. Okay, yeah, so which example will I use? Let me add another trading instrument. So okay, so let me search for something like GBP, Japanese yen. Yeah, let me try and trade this to illustrate for you. So let's say I want to be buying. If price now breaks this support zone of resistance zone over here, okay, I want to be trading if price breaks above this point. So if it breaks that point, I want to continue even higher and hit even higher levels like that. So that's my entry, my TP. Now my stop loss, I might edit it somewhere just below the entry price. So like for example there, let me turn back to M15. Okay, so my entry now for a buy stop where I want to be buying above the current market price is 161.779. okay, so let me place the trade. So market execution, I change it to buy stop because I want to be buying above the current market price, so 161.79, like that, and then I tap done. So you can see that there's a buy stop at my desired entry point for a buy, and that's why I want to be taking the buy. Let me modify the TP and the stop loss. So TP 163.23, stop loss 161.38. okay, modification, and 163.28. okay, stop loss 161. Just I can do it even to that. Yeah, so that's my stop loss and my TP modification. So I've already shown you the illustration of the different types of orders, the market execution and the pending orders, the limits and the stop orders. So with that said, remember in the previous class I told you that you'll find out that stop loss are stop orders and take profit are limit orders. Okay, yeah. So with that said, see you in the next class. It's been your guy Shivo showing you the illustration of the different types of orders. See you in the next class. Bye.